Elasticsearch project. So last few weeks I've been learning Elasticsearch, and this is my final project. Here I actually built a very small, very simple a search engine powered by Elasticsearch, and here I will show you how Elasticsearch full text search actually work, how tokenizer work, and I also show you how a semantic search work. So let's start with actually a full text search with standard tokenizer. So standard tokenizer will actually split the query actually based on the actually white space. So it will use white space as a delimiter. So let's start with it. So let's say we are actually looking for a black hole. So here is actually black hole. So do you see that it actually gives us answer, uh, uh, and you will find the result with actually with okay. What was the problem actually? This do you see that you will find result with black hole? Do you see that it's actually black hole and has a result with black hole? Yes, here is a result with black hole. So this is what actually you will find with and it is actually a standard token. But if you will uh, because this is the black and whole the word is actually complete. But if you will search with uncompleted word, for example andro me, then you will not it should not give you any answer. Do you see that it didn't find any sort of answer? That means there is no result found. It is because of, as I already mentioned it is because of standard tokenizer, because standard tokenizer will actually split the query or uh, based on actually so a space. So that's why it didn't find actually and ROM. So in its index, so that's why it cannot give you answer. I mean in the reverse reverse index, right? So now, I mean inverted indexing. So now we will actually, I will use n-gram tokenizer. So n-gram tokenizer will split a word into multiple smaller word, and then it will use those words in their inverted indexing. So that time if I will search with even with an incomplete word, then it will still give us answer. So let's configure it and restart the server. So I will come up with very soon. Okay, I already configured ngram tokenizer and also restart the server. So now if so, let's just endo me. Do you see that? Do you see that even though it is an incomplete word and it didn't give us any answer, right? But do you see that now it actually gives us answer? So even though it is actually mm, uh, so doesn't matter. Even let's say L LAXY, you will find actually answer some answer because ZALAXY, it is part of ZALAXY, right? So if you look into it, then you will find. So it is because of n-gram tokenism. So now I will show you semantic search. So let's configure it, and then I'll come very soon. So I already configured my server for semantic search. So now let's search for let's uh, search for a semantic. Uh, so let's say write like something. Uh, our universe is getting bigger every day. So let's say isn't it will give us any. Okay, so let's okay then that's showing. So our universe is getting bigger. So it actually keep us. This is actually cement. Oh, no, sorry, it is actually normal search. So that's why. Okay, now I'm actually enabling. It is actually semantic search. So it is not actually our semantic search. So our universe is getting bigger every day. What's problem with it? I don't know. Maybe our server is just crash or something like that. Well, no, it actually working. But oh yeah, do you see that it actually give us getting bigger every day? It actually okay. So let's say it actually give us uh, this our universe is getting bigger. Uh, so it actually gives us this type of, so do you see that it actually gives some, let's say Edwin Hubble discovered the universe expansion. Do you see that? So you will find all sort of result here. Edwin Hubble, okay, sorry, I think previous, do you see that? So it actually give us, a relevant result actually. So yeah, So yeah, so do you see that Edwin Hubble discovered the universe. So this is actually semantic search work, but this is not a keyword based search, right? Because you see that I'm actually saying the universe is getting bigger every day. So that means I'm actually uh, I just meant universe expansion, right? I mean I'm actually expecting this type of result, like Edwin Hubble discovered the universe. I mean, the expansion. So if you will read this, read it, then you will find all those sort of result actually here. So this is how actually the normal full text search work. So this is how actually I already showed you how ngram tokenizer helps uh, to make this search more robust actually, and also I actually show you how actually semantic search work. So thank you, bye bye.